Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to go over installing paint-matched vinyl wrap for your B9 SQ5 side markers. That's a mouthful, but B9.5 won't work for those because they're integrated into the headlight. But for B9, you're set, and it's a quick, easy mod to get the front end looking nice and fresh. So let's get into it. Pretty straightforward. You're going to need the actual paint-matched vinyl wrap. You're going to need some water for wet sanding. You're going to need basic standard setup. I mean, this is, I think, 400 grit and 1500. That's all you'll really need. And that is to get rid of the kind of like the OEM lettering, and there's a little bit of like stuff on here you need to smooth out. You'll need some tape to tape it off, Exacto knife, scissors to cut the wrap, and then, you know, kind of like a swipe tool to kind of get that installed okay, maybe a trim tool if you need it. And heat gun, probably optional, but we have it just in case. All right, so first things first, you're gonna wanna tape off your side marker, as so. Then you're gonna just give it a little bit of a wet sand. I'm starting with, I believe this is 400 grit. You can feel along here some lettering, so we wanna definitely gently get rid of that. So after a few pretty gentle passes with 400 grit, you're definitely gonna feel that the lettering is pretty much gone. I'm trying to get most of this just gently sanded down. Yeah, pretty much gone. Oh gosh. So now I've switched over to a 1500 grit. Not scientific, but just grabbed one and let's give it a couple passes here. All right, so first we just need to kind of size up a decent piece and then cut with your scissors with, you know, 1/2 inch or so on each side as extra. So we'll go and do that. There we go. As you can see, we have more than enough. All right, so I'm just gonna wipe this down one more time, make sure it's dry and has no debris. All right, so now we've peeled it off. We're actually going to put one side on and slowly shift to the side like this. Using our tool. All right, next you're gonna wanna actually really press into the edges and get it to bond. And now I'm going to use the tool and the heat gun to just gently make sure that it's fully applied here. Turn on the trusty headlamp here. And we're going to want to use the Exacto knife to gently trim along the edges here. There we go. Now you can actually peel this off. Take your trim tool and make sure all the edging is adhered. This is where you may need to take out the heat gun again. All right, so I just wanted to bring you out and show you what it looks like in the sunlight, so you can get like a good idea, because I know Navarra blue kind of can pop in different ways. Let me show you this. So a little bit of shade, a little bit of light here, looks pretty clean. And then like in direct sunlight here, looks pretty good. All right, that turned out pretty good, not gonna lie. I think that this will help you out if you're looking into installing the vinyl wrap over and buying the side markers themselves. It's a lot easier, a lot cheaper, so hopefully it works out for you. I'm excited to share more videos about my B9 SQ5. I got the CETE module on there for lowering, lots more stuff to come. The 034 tune has been feeling great on E85. Lots to come with this build, so stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe if you want to see more B9 SQ5 stuff. Yeah.